Once upon a time, in the golden deserts of Zahara, there lived a poor but honest trader named Haran. Every morning, he would load his old donkey with clay pots and spices, walking from village to village under the scorching sun. Haran didn't have much, but he never lied to his customers, never cheated on weight, and always sold his goods at a fair price. The other traders laughed at him. "You'll always be poor if you're so honest," shouted Jamal, a rich merchant who tricked people with fake jewels and watered-down perfumes. But Haran just smiled. Gold earned through lies weighs heavier on the soul than gold earned through truth. One day, while resting under a palm tree on his way home, Haran spotted something strange glimmering in the sand. He dug it out and found a beautiful rolled-up carpet with golden threads and sapphire tassels. It was soft and warm, almost like it was breathing. Suddenly, the carpet rose an inch into the air. Haran jumped back. "What kind of magic is this?" To his shock, the carpet unrolled itself and floated, hovering like a cloud. A soft whisper echoed from it. "Only the honest may ride. Speak a lie, and you shall fall." Haran was stunned but curious. He placed one foot on it, and it didn't fall. Then he sat down, and the carpet lifted into the sky. From that day, Haran's life changed. The flying carpet took him to faraway lands where he could sell his spices and goods. He never used it to steal or cheat. Instead, he brought rare fruits, silks, and stories from distant lands to the poor people of Zahara, always charging a fair price. News spread quickly. "The honest trader who flies with the wind," children cheered. But Jamal the greedy merchant grew jealous. He followed Haran one night and saw the flying carpet land. "So, this is your secret?" Jamal hissed. The next day, he returned, dressed like Haran, and tried to ride the carpet. "I am an honest trader," he lied. The carpet hovered briefly, then threw him into a cactus bush. Haran found him groaning. "The carpet knows," Haran said calmly. "It sees truth clearer than your eyes ever could." Years passed, and Haran became not just wealthy, but beloved across the desert kingdoms. Kings invited him to trade, scholars came to learn from him, and he built schools for poor children using his wealth. Yet he never stopped walking through villages, still smiling and still honest. And the flying carpet? It stayed with Haran until he was old, then flew away into the sunset, waiting for the next truthful heart. Moral of the story: honesty may take time to show its reward, but when it does, it lifts you higher than you ever imagined.